Earthquakes often accompany volcanic activity because as magma and superheated gases move through the subsurface, they cause the rocks to crack and vibrate. By tracking the location of the earthquakes and how they change through time, we're actually able to see how the magma is moving underneath the ground. That gives us an idea of where the magma is going. Is it moving up towards the surface, going vertically? Is it moving horizontally? So we can get an idea, perhaps, of what to expect. Earthquakes aren't the only way that we can monitor active volcanoes. As magma moves up towards the surface, it can cause the ground to deform or swell. It inflates, kind of like a balloon. We can measure that deformation by satellite data, but we can also measure it using GPS. So GPS measures how the ground is moving in 3 dimensions. As the ground swells, you can imagine that those GPS stations will be moved upward, but often they will also be moved apart. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to blow up this balloon. So see those little dots on there? Imagine those are GPS stations. As I blow up the balloon, what happens to them? They get farther apart. I know they also get bigger, but that's not what we're talking about. Imagine that they were just a point source, right? So the GPS stations will get farther apart. And so these are just 2 ways that we monitor active volcanoes. We can also look at the volcanic gases that are coming out. So there's lots of different ways that we can sort of keep the pulse of the earth and see if eruptions are likely or if they are about to happen. Of course, we're talking about this largely because of what's happening in Iceland right now. There's a lot of misinformation, so make sure that you're looking at official sources. I will post the link to the official source if you're interested in keeping up to date on the Iceland volcano, so check the comments for that.